Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and before we start this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Today we are going to be doing the what's inside my purse video. Nikki wanted to show what was inside my purse. And before we start, you are going to see some tattoos on Nikki and a little tattoo on me. These are actually Halloween tattoos that we had never used, and we decided to put them on and play with them. So don't worry, these rough looking places are not real. Anyway.
And this one's like really fading.
Yeah, it's fading off. They don't last very long. Of course, when you play and then you wash your hands and stuff, they fade.
Yeah, and then you eat.
Yeah, they fade away.
Yeah.
But anyway, here we go.
Okay, so let's unzip this. I want to see what's in here. Okay. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah, I have a big purse.
Okay, wait, Mom? This is mine. Why?
Oh yeah, I borrowed your fidget toy.
It's very cool.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa. Oh my. Oh,
this
I can't even push that.
is a thing that helps you get stronger in your hands.
I don't know how you did that. I cannot do that.
Some of them are easier than others. Oh, yeah, all the things like this come in a pack together. That is a finger. Yeah, it's a finger exerciser.
Put your fingers in these compartments.
Put your thumb. Here, I'll show you.
Okay, I think I found.
Yeah, and it exercises your fingers.
Okay, this is really hard to do.
Show them.
Okay, it's really hard. Mom, we got some band-aids. You have band-aids in your purse?
I didn't even know I had band-aids in my purse.
Okay, this is weird. You bring all this stuff everywhere with you.
Ink pen.
This is a lot of stuff.
I have a lot of stuff in my purse. Yes, I have Jergens and Gold Bond lotion.
Okay, and then we've got
more finger exercisers. Yeah, like I said, all these things like this came in a pack together.
Mom, what is this?
I have no idea. That's not mine. Is it yours?
No.
Huh.
Weird. Okay. I guess we'll find out what they're for later?
I guess so.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, it's like a little manicure set. Some of the things aren't in here though.
Oh my. A lot of stuff is in here. There was a ponytail.
Stuck to my hairbrush.
Oh my, we've got your bracelet.
Nikki bought me this for my birthday one year, and I've wore it so much that the beads started coming off and the color faded. I need to try to get the beads back on.
Oh my. Whoa, another one? Oh my.
This one's easier than the other one.
More ponytails.
I have a lot of ponytails.
A fan.
Okay, and the thing about this fan, don't put your face near, and I will show you why. Okay, hang on just a second.
Ah! Oh my, that's kind of scary.
It's a good fan, though.
Yeah, it really is.
Tweezers.
This looks really good.
It does work really good.
It looks like really good. And then we've got another ponytail. Another ponytail.
Ooh, that's a highlighter, and if you make a mistake, then the other end erases the highlighting part.
And then we've got another eat pen. Earrings.
I've had these a long time. The color's fading.
Ponytail.
A lot of stuff.
Another one.
Ink pen.
So much stuff. Another ponytail. Wait, Mom, what is this? Where did you get this from?
Oh, actually, I think I got this from
yeah.
a Dollar Tree or a Mighty Dollar. Maybe a Mighty Dollar. I don't play with it that much. You want it?
Okay. Oh, and here's one.
Yeah, that came off my bracelet. I've got to try to fix it.
Nail clippers. Another ponytail. Another ponytail. An eat pen. Oh my, there's so much more.
Bowls. Tennessee Bowls.
And then we've got You're both faux. It's really pretty.
Thank you.
It looks so cool. I think it come with the purse, but I don't remember.
I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right.
I think the wallet came with the purse, didn't it? I forgot.
It didn't come with a purse. I got this purse for Christmas, and I got the wallet for Christmas too. They didn't come together, but they got them, so they kind of matched.
Yeah, I totally forgot.
I don't know a lot about football, so I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right.
Yeah, me neither. And
I just have a
we've
pen.
got
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you
clippers.
wanted those. Those were clippers.
Clippers. We have clippers. And a pen. There's
Gel
like a
pen.
lot of pens in here. Oh, lip balm.
Yeah. Vaseline, lip therapy, cocoa butter,
Wait, there's
Gold
a,
Bond
there's
lotion.
a zipper in here.
I don't know if there's anything in that zipper though. Can't remember.
Yeah, there's nail clippers.
Oh.
That's all. Look.
Oh, these are toenail clippers.
So weird. There's so much stuff in here. More clippers.
Germex.
Oh my, what else do we have in here? So hard. Oh my, there's a lot of text. Okay, I think these are the last two items. Another time.
Yeah, I've got to fix that. And more clippers. So that's where all my clippers went.
And then, wait, there's a compartment back here. Can I see what's inside? Oh, there's only one thing in there. The phone.
Yeah, this is actually, Nikki and I actually shared this phone.
Yeah,
and,
that's an old phone.
Yeah, it was mine, and I told Nikki we would share it.
Yeah,
And
so this was our old phone.
we still carry it with us, so it still works.
Yeah. And
There's actually some stuff on here that I need to upload that I haven't done yet.
Surprises.
Oh, another little
that's
manicure
a lot of
set.
stuff. There's a lot of stuff.
That's-
Why do you have trash?
I just haven't thrown it away yet. Muddy Buddies Pretzel Bites. Peanut butter and chocolate. Delicious. Highly recommended.
And then we've got, wow.
We have wet wipes.
You've got a lot of stuff in there.
I do.
More Germex.
You need this right now.
Lotion. Your comb. Whoa, that thing's big.
It's like a pick comb, yeah.
Okay.
My hair's really
That's
curly,
big.
so.
Now we've got another ponytail. Another ponytail. A pen. Another ponytail. I don't really know what you call that.
Oh, this goes on your feet. If you're having problems with your feet and you put this on it,
there's a lot of pens.
sometimes it helps.
There's a ponytail and a pen. More ponytails. Perfume. This is really weird. Deodorant. It's so weird right now. I did not know that all this was going to be in
Oh,
here.
my glasses.
Glasses.
I don't wear them that much.
They're pretty in purple.
I don't really have to have them there, just for reading.
And then you've got another ponytail. Clippers. And a rubber band.
I don't even know I had a rubber band.
It's kind of broken.
Oh.
That's weird. And you've got a pen and a ponytail. I think that's everything. Yep. Wait, no. That isn't. There's tweezers and a ponytail. And then in this compartment, we've got Germex and...
Oh, these are like flossers and toothpicks.
Yeah, okay.
They're really good if you're eating in the car or whatever. Then you've got these with you.
Okay, and then in this
Like
one,
if you eat out or something.
Okay, let's see here. Is there anything in here?
I have no idea. I don't remember.
It's empty. Let's see here. Anything in here? Okay,
Empty?
yeah, that one. And then in here.
Oh, another one of these. This one's the
Wait,
easiest
I
one.
haven't even been zipping the purse back
It
yet.
doesn't matter.
I'll zip up some of the zippers.
Don't worry about it. I'll fix it later. Is that everything?
No, there's some things in here. There's
Oh, a little sewing kit.
And then there's a ponytail and some foundation, lip balm.
Carmex.
And
This
I don't know
is...
what you would call that.
This is actually to open up doors. Like if you're at a store and you don't want to touch the door. I've never even used
And
this.
that's very good for the virus.
It really is. I need to use this. And it's got a stylus at the end.
Yeah, and then we've got some
Earrings.
And I think that's everything.
That's everything? Okay, so that is what is inside of Lizzie's purse. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys. Bye.